Can eye exercises improve my eyesight naturally? First of all, if you want those eye exercises to actually work, you have to do them regularly and correctly. It's like going to the gym. You cannot just show up once and expect to look like a fitness model. Hey, I lifted weight once, where's my six packs? It's the same with your eyes. They need consistent workouts, not just one-off session after Netflix. I work out technique because your eyes deserve more. Now let's talk about technique. You wouldn't run a marathon in flip-flops, right? So why would you do eye exercises without proper technique and purpose? Okay, I'm staring at these distant objects. Wait, am I squinting? Should I be blinking? Remember folks, the goal is to stretch eye muscles, not to turn them into a heavyweight athlete. Light stretch, regular rest from screens, using outstretched arm for your phone. Use your phone one day in the left hand, one day in the right hand to harmonize brain hemispheres. Complex solution required. Screen time drama. And here comes the kicker, managing your screen time. I mean, we are all guilty of it. You sit down to watch one episode of your favorite show and suddenly it's down and you just finish an entire season. Oops, did I just skip the whole Netflix in business? Your eyes are begging you for mercy. It is unnatural for eyes to stare at the screens for a long time. Eye exercises for eye health. Here's the deal, eye exercises can definitely help reduce strain and improve your eye health if you give them attention they deserve. If you're diligent about it, you might even start notice some improvements. Wait, is that my neighbor's cat? Or just a fuzzy bob? Either way, I'm finally getting clarity. Master eye workout for healthier, happier eyes. Check Eyesight Academy course with the best eye exercises to improve your eye health naturally. In the end, folks, if you want to improve your vision naturally, commit to those eye exercises, master your technique, and keep an eyes off of screens as much as possible. So there you have it. Eye exercises can work well, just give them eye workouts the time and attention they need. Let's show our eyes some love before they enter in accommodative spasms and losing eye focus.